Here's a 1948 Ford Super Deluxe Coupe. Still pretty stock. Running the flathead V8 underneath the hood. Manual 3-speed on the column. Has been upgraded to a 12-volt battery though. So you get that going for you. Spins her over. Starts up very easily. Very smooth running vehicle. Engine is quiet and smooth. We'll start her up in a little bit so you get an idea. As you can see on the Super Deluxe, got a lot of the bright work, chrome. That is all in very nice shape. Would I say it's perfect? But no, you consider a lot of it's 70 years old. It is in good shape for its age, as you can see in the grille and the bumper. A couple adds up here with the lights down below and the little visors above the headlights. I'd call the paint a nice driver quality paint. Still has a nice luster to it. Looks like it's a little bit older repaint, but still in nice shape. Writing on the wide whites, Ford wheel covers. If you have any questions on the car, like to check out any of the still pictures, the underside, engine bay, feel free to give us a call first off, 507-386-1726. Or if you'd like to check out our website, check out the still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Very cool looking rear end on these 48s. Can you see how nice the bright work is back here also? In the still pictures, if you check them out, you'll see how stock it still looks underneath the hood, the trunk, and even in the interior with the cloth bench seat yet. This car actually came to us out of West Virginia. See, it's still got a pretty nice fitment to the doors, the body lines, gaps, all darn nice in this car. Let's go ahead and check out the interior. There you can see is your manual transmission, clutch pedal with that 3 in the column, door cards, rubber flooring up front, cloth interior. Does show its age a little bit, but not all ripped or torn up. So see what appears to be the original headliner in there. Still retains a stock steering wheel with that wheel cover on there and the stock appearing dash. Let's go ahead and fire this up. Turn the key and the starter button obviously is down here. See how easy that starts. That 12-volt helps spin it over. Gauges. What the odometer reads about 26,348. Can't confirm or deny if that'd be the original miles or not. You'd have to know that from new. It wouldn't stay with the title. Slip around to the back so you can hear this run. See how nicely the door closes. Old dual exhaust coming out of that flathead. A little bit of a rumble to it. Again, check out those still pictures. Look it over a little closer. uniqueclassiccars.com. Like I said, if you'd like to call, inquire about transportation, have any questions, feel free to give us a call. 507-386-1726. 1948 Ford Super Deluxe Coupe.